Gold has started the week slight bearish, but at the same time, it is yet to break below 2020 levels. That is the critical support levels we have seen last week. So now what to expect today from gold, how we can profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the strategy for the day and the key levels to watch out for. Watch till the end. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Second update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Do like, share, and comment. Your every like, share, and comment is a great motivation for me. And if you're not joined the channel membership, be a part of the channel memberships to get the additional benefits. Now look at the hourly chart. See, there is a clear cut resistance seen at 26-28 zone, and then we can see it at around 32-34. Also, right now, if you can observe, you will find that higher lows are getting created after the drop. This is in a retracement zone, and thus see, only buying entry today I will recommend is about 2028, but then 2032, 2035 is a greater resistance zone. Looking at the retracement channel, I think it is going to get maximum resistance at around 2028 levels. But if you look at the movement here, see the drop, retracement, higher lows, and it could retrace towards higher highs. Possibilities there. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD has seen a strong bearish momentum. It may converge crossover and lead to a bullish entry, but right now it is falling shy of it. RSI rising, coming to 2 hour. Similar observation on the 2 hour charts, getting resistance here, price is reversed, but look at the last candle on the 2 hour charts. Here you can see diminishing body, and since then it is trying to reverse. So there is a possibility of a little rise. Also, one must note that the prices are divergent from the 20 period moving average. That it may wait for the moving average to come down, and it can try to achieve the moving average. That is what it is going to do. Moving averages right now are trading bearish. Remember this fact. If you look at the 2 hour chart, the stochastic has seen a little retracement. The MACD is trading bearish, trying to converge, but it is still far away from a crossover. RSI is rising, coming to 3 hour. Similar observation here on the 3 hour charts. Moving average is crossing over, trading with divergence and bearishness. 3 hour chart, it is trying to retrace a little. But remember, after consolidation, this was first bearish candle. This candle, only and only if gold trades about 2028-32 zone, you can say that it is trying to reverse. Else it is still in the bearish zone. A stochastic retracing, MACD is bearish here. It may possibly converge, but right now not showing much signs of it. RSI rising, coming to 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour charts also, if you observe, see consistently higher lows are seen here, and yes, it has to break below 2018-2020 levels. If gold trades below 2018-2020, we can consider that as a bearish move, and below that I will be looking forward to a drop for the week. This time possibly we will be looking forward to first support at around for the day it could be at around 2014-15, but later the stronger support it will find it is at around 2008-2010, and then 1997-2000. If these two levels are taken, certainly more bearishness is going to prevail in gold. Be watchful of this. It is showing slight bearishness. The stochastic is at bottom, MACD is divergent and bearish here, and it has lot much of room, but I will wait. See double bottom, if it creates, that will be the sign of reversal. RSI is flat. Coming to daily, before we look into daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch. Class is commencing in a couple of weeks. Register yourself now. Half of the seats are already filled. Does reserve your seats now itself. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. For any of your queries, you can write an email to me or you can ping me on Telegram. And yes, do join the free Telegram channel to get the live market updates. Now, look at the daily chart. See, first of all, the step created with the week beginning, lower highs are created. Now, this suggests that it has to break beyond these highs in order to confirm a reversal. That is 2028 is the only level beyond which we can consider that now gold is reversing and it is going to recover. What has happened here? See, three candles, one bullish candle, couple of candles, it can again reverse. Possibilities there, but only buying entry today is about 2028, and even if we are buying at 2028, it has to break first 2032 first resistance, 35 36 the next, and 40 42. If it breaks beyond 20 40 42, we can treat this as a reverse. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, only two red candles, possibility of a third red candle, and bearishness exists here. RSI is looking down. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell gold today 2018-2020 levels. and below which only we can consider that it is trying to trade bearish, where we will look forward to 2014, 2015, first target 2008, 2010, the next, and then 1997, 2000. Only and only if it breaks below 1997, 2000 levels, we can treat this as a break, and below which the bears will take over completely. Thus, in between 2018, 2020 and 2028, 2030, we have to be cautious in between this range, and accordingly, you can take a buy and sell positions. It appears to be trading with a bearish bias, but if you look at the other metal, that is silver, which is trading with a little strength, while if you look at the dollar, this is also trading weak. Thus, you need to watch out all in tandem and take your decisions. Trade accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series, Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, do watch the next update before the US session. Thus, join the free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.